Hey guys, so in this video, I'm just going to talk about Facebook pixels, like how to add pixels into your links and having how to create custom domain links so that you can share it with your online audience. And so that's how it's going to be. So in this video, I'm just going to talk about Link Wizard, which is our software, which is a link shortener, which kind of like there are so many features inside our software where you can create custom domains, custom events, file links, group links, opt-in links, social profile links. But in this video, I'm just going to talk about just custom domains and Facebook pixel, like how to add pixels in it. So I'll go to the settings here, and first thing is like custom domain. I've already added my custom domain here, so but I'm just giving you an overview of how to add it. So when you click on custom domain, as you can see here, you have a little bit of like you have to point your domain to this CNAME here. So we are recommending Cloudflare because they are giving a free SSL certificate like your HTTPS, but you can also use other services. But we recommend Cloudflare. So when I go to the Cloudflare here, you can see that I have created a CNAME DNS record with the root domain navin.icu, which is my domain, and the content is like cname.lnk.co, and the proxy is proxied. So once I created it, you have to wait for like 2 to 5 minutes, and then proceed on going and adding the domain here. So that is the reason, like first you have to create the DNS there, wait for 5 minutes, and then add your custom domain. And your custom domain should be added like this. And the next thing is pixels. So one of the great things about pixels is like if you're adding some pixels, you can always retarget them to your Facebook audience. So to add your new pixel, click on add new pixel, and we do have pixels like where you can add Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest. But for this video, I'm just adding Facebook here, and you can name the pixel whatever you want, Naveen, or you can have your own name, or if you have a client, you can add your client pixel there. And the pixel ID is where you go to your ad accounts, like your personal ad account. And if you search for pixels, and you should be able to go there. And once you are there, the data sources, you are able to see the pixel ID here, and just copy it and just paste it here. So this is the pixel ID, and that's all, and just save it. So you should be good to go with the pixel ID here. As you can see, this is my pixel ID which I've already added, and I've saved it as like Navin audience. So let's go to create the links. So which I think I've actually already created it. So so to give you a view, so just go and like create a shorten link. So this is the, like a pop-up you'll have. I'll just go to the here which I've created already, and I'll show you guys here. So whenever you want to create a link, this is a link which you want the end result of the link should be. So this is my personal website. So this is my personal. I'll just copy it and paste it here. And here you would have an option of choosing our own link wizard domain, but you also when you link the custom domain of yourself, you have an option of choosing it. Once you choose it, click on the customize this customized link URL, and you'll be able to customize the URL itself. Like for this example, I just said website. I can also put as like a personal website, so that it's actually my personal website. So it kind of like helps you. So once you're done, you just have to like click on add pixels, and once you add click pixels, just give me sorry for that. Once you add click pixels and you are able to choose the pixel, I'm just able to choose Navin audience and just click like save or edit tab, like save the URL. So what does this do? So the thing is, whenever like you have an audience of 1,000 people or 2,000 people, you send them a link and you don't know who clicked on it, or maybe you want to show them an ad, just the people who clicked on the link, right? So that is the reason of adding the pixel here. So whenever you share this link, and just copy the link, and I'll show to you guys like how it is done. I'll just click on the pixel here, and if you see here page view, I'll click on details and see the activity. So the latest activity was on 17th, which is here Navindra Lak. I have already installed another pixel, but as the time is like it's almost like midnight, 12:35 was the time. It was like 1 minute ago I visited the website. But when I this is my shortened URL, right? When I click on it, it will redirect to the page. And if you go to your Facebook pixel, you should be able to, I'll refresh it again so that you'll see the data which will get updated. So as you can see here, it has been updated to 36 because the pixel fired for that particular link. So this is how Facebook pixel works, and where you can add your Facebook pixel, and you can add n number of pixels if you are on the top plan, unlimited pixels. Maybe you have like different ad accounts and you want to share the same pixel data. You want to do it, you can do it. So this is how it works. So I hope this video helps you in understanding like how to add custom domains and how to add Facebook pixel to your link. And I hope you guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. See ya. Bye bye.